Namaste, dear seekers. I'm Shivangi, your companion on this journey of inner awakening. Over the past few weeks, we've walked together through the sacred verses of the Bhagavad Gita, discovering devotion, selfless action, and the power of clarity in daily life. Today, we step into chapter 6, where Krishna reveals the secret of meditation, how to quiet the mind, live in balance, and experience true peace while remaining active in the world. In the previous chapter, Krishna taught us that renunciation doesn't mean giving up the world, but letting go of attachment to outcomes. Now, he takes us deeper, showing that peace is not found in isolation, but in the mastery of the mind amidst life itself. Krishna tells us the path of the yogi is not in fleeing the world, but in finding inner peace while living fully within it. These words invite us to turn inward, not to escape life, but to find calmness within it. Let us pause to feel what Krishna truly means. Take a deep, slow breath and gently exhale. Close your eyes and feel your body grounded and supported, as if the earth itself is whispering. Peace begins right where you are. Relax your shoulders and let your thoughts settle like ripples calming on a still pond. Now imagine a golden light descending from above, entering through the crown of your head and flowing through your entire being. This is the light of awareness, the same light Krishna calls knowledge. Now visualize the sacred field of Kurukshetra before you. This battlefield is not an outer war. It is the inner field of your mind and heart. Now see Arjun. Arjun asks, Krishna, how can one find peace while living in this world? What is the path of the true yogi? Krishna smiles and replies, the true yogi is one who acts selflessly without clinging to the fruits of action, and who trains the mind gently through meditation. Such a person lives in the world, performs every duty, yet remains inwardly free. He continues, the mind can be your friend and also your enemy. If trained with love and discipline, it becomes your greatest ally. But if left to wander in desire and fear, it becomes your greatest obstacle. And so, Krishna reminds us, the journey of meditation begins not outside, but within, when the mind becomes calm, Life itself flows in harmony. Krishna explains, a yogi should choose a quiet, clean and peaceful place. Sit on a firm seat, neither too high nor too low. Keep the body, neck and head aligned in a straight line. With slow, steady breathing, the yogi turns inward. Meditation is not about running away from the world, but about meeting your true self, the divine presence within. He further guides us. Those who eat too much or too little, who sleep too much or too little, find it difficult to calm the mind. But those who live in balance, in food, rest and work, naturally discover peace within. Body and mind are companions on this journey. When treated with love and balance, steadiness comes effortlessly. When the mind becomes stable in meditation, it is like a lamp burning in a windless place, its flame calm and unwavering. When thoughts stop drifting between past and future, the light of consciousness settles within. And from that stillness arises deep peace and unshakable joy. Krishna says, when awareness becomes steady, the seeker no longer identifies with the body or mind. They recognize the soul, eternal, radiant, and unchanging. Then they see divinity in all beings, and all beings resting in that same divinity. At that moment, all separation disappears. No friend, no foe. Every face reflects the same truth. This is the essence of yoga. Not merely peace of the body, but the sacred union of heart and mind, where stillness and action become one. Yet, as we all know, this balance isn't easy to hold. Even Arjun, the great warrior, bows his head and says humbly, Krishna, my mind is restless, unstable, uncontrollable. Stopping it feels like stopping the wind. Krishna smiles and says, yes, Arjun, the mind is indeed restless, but through practice and detachment, it can be stilled. Practice, which is also known as Abhyasa, means returning again and again to awareness, no matter how many times the mind wanders. Detachment, known as Vairagya, means not fighting the mind, but softly letting go of what disturbs your peace. Just as a river flows patiently toward the ocean, so too does the mind, through love and patience, finally merge into stillness. Arjun then asked, Krishna, if a seeker begins this path but stops midway, are their efforts lost? Krishna's voice is filled with compassion as he replies, No, Arjun, no effort on this path is ever wasted. Even a small step frees one from great fear. Once the taste of inner peace is known, the soul returns to this path again and again until it becomes one with the divine. He concludes, a true yogi is full of faith and devotion, controls the mind and dedicates every action to me. Such a yogi does not merely sit in meditation, but fills every thought, word, and deed with love, compassion, and surrender. Living among people, serving with kindness, their heart remains inwardly still. Now, dear seeker, bring that same awareness into your own heart, just as the yogi remains calm amidst action. You too can stay centered in the middle of life. Observe your breath, flowing naturally in and out. With each breath, feel your mind quieten and your body soften. Slowly, bring your awareness back to this moment, to the ground beneath you, to the gentle rhythm of your breath, and to the peace that now rests within. Hear Krishna's words echo softly within you. When the mind is controlled, it becomes the friend of the soul. Through meditation, one sees me in all and all in me. I'm Shivangi, your companion on this sacred inner journey, where we meet Krishna not on a battlefield, but in the peaceful temple of our hearts, where he reminds us, one who controls the mind controls life. If today's meditation touched your heart, please write in the comment below, I choose unshakable peace. Because when one heart chooses peace, many hearts follow its light. And as we prepare for our next episode, we'll step into Chapter 7, the Yoga of Wisdom and Knowledge, where Krishna reveals how divine understanding transforms everyday life into a living meditation. Stay connected. Your journey inward has only just begun. Jai Shri Krishna.